Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch, we need to press and hold the back button and keep holding it until we see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which will take, let's say, about a minute, or maybe a little bit less. Here we have it. We're back, or rather not back, but we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.